Hey everyone, welcome to our French grammar series.
Today we master possessive determiners, so you can say my, your, his, and her like a native.
These words change with the noun and keep your French polite and clear.
First, how to say my when the speaker is I. That is mon, ma, mes.
Mon is used with masculine singular nouns.
Example: mon téléphone, my phone. Mon téléphone.
Ma is for feminine singular nouns.
Example: ma sœur, my sister. Ma sœur.
Mes is for any plural nouns.
Example: mes enfants, my children. Mes enfants.
Listen, j'ai deux enfants. I have two children. J'ai deux enfants. Mon garçon a 15 ans et ma fille a 11 ans. My son is 15 years old and my daughter is 11 years old. Mon garçon a 15 ans et ma fille a 11 ans.
With that foundation in place, now let's explore your for informal tu.
For tu, we use ton with masculine singular nouns.
Example: ton sac, your bag. Ton sac.
Ta for feminine singular nouns.
Example: ta chaise, your chair. Ta chaise.
Te for any plural nouns.
Example: tu as ton stylo, you have your pen. Tu as ton stylo. Tu as ta voiture, you have your car. Tu as ta voiture. Tu as tes clés, you have your keys. Tu as tes clés. Now that we've covered informal your, here's where it gets polite. For vous.
Votre is used with any singular noun, masculine or feminine.
Example: votre frère, your brother. Votre frère.
Vos for any plural nouns.
Example: vos enfants, your children. Vos enfants.
Polite examples. Quel est votre nom, madame? What is your name, madame? Quel est votre nom, madame?
Quels sont vos souhaits, monsieur? What are your wishes, sir? Quels sont vos souhaits, monsieur? Before we finish, let's look at his or her. Son, sa, c'est for il or elle.
The determiner agrees with the noun's gender and number, never the possessor's gender.
Son for masculine singular. Son frère est marié. His brother is married. Son frère est marié.
Sa for feminine singular. Sa femme s'appelle Claudia. His wife's name is Claudia. Sa femme s'appelle Claudia.
C'est for plural. Ses cousins s'appellent Jules et Victor. His cousins are called Jules and Victor. Ses cousins s'appellent Jules et Victor.
Now you know every rule. Mon, ma, mes for my, ton, ta, te for informal, your, votre, vos for polite, your, and son, sa, c'est for his or her.
These will help you sound respectful and natural every day.
Which example helped you most today?
Drop it in the comments. Like if you learned something new, and subscribe with bell icon press for more French lessons.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and enjoy French.